Okay, so this is just kind of an FYI. This was a miserable lock to deal with today. This is a Schlage knob here. And basically, it's very, very routine procedure to rekey these. You basically, locks on the door, knobs on there. You press the detent, use the key, pull the knob off, rekey it, come back to the lock, and go ahead and reverse the process, right? Well, you get in here and you press a little detent and it goes on a little ways, and then you turn your key and nothing happens. Can't get it on. Usually you just smack it real good, give it a couple good taps, click, it clicks right on, right? Nope, not today. I've been fighting with this lock for at least an hour, and all I've come up with is that it's broken. Unfortunately, it's just not broke enough to realize it, but just broke enough to tease you. So basically, this action is not good. That means it's not going to work. That means it's broke, and that means it will taunt you. So that means that the detent would press in further, like so, to the point where I actually had to make a little hole right here to try and access it, to try and push it in. However, the collar, you can see down there, if I can get this halfway right. We don't need that other collar deal. Come on. We'll then bump right into the end of the lock. So I take, after messing with it, I finally take the whole thing apart, say, okay, something's gotta give, right? Take it all the way apart. Very, very frustrating ordeal. This one job has taken longer than all 3 other ones today combined because of this nasty, nasty little creature right here. And we figure, okay, there's always got to be a catch. It came apart, has to go back together, right? Has to, just has to. So we get in here and we look for something odd. Nothing odd, all except for that little action right there. Click, click. That is the difference between you getting finished and messing with this for an hour. So the bottom line is I actually even got it to go all the way back together. Basically pinned this in here, slid everything back on, and actually even did this, actually took it apart. And oh, where's my other piece here? Well, it's not really gonna matter. But took this all the way apart, figured, aha, if it pushes out, I can't put enough binding force on it, so I will just hold it, right? Right? You would think so. However, even if you do get it to go, like so, and that is totally and completely hooked up, it would still let go, and it won't let the key release, and it just pops right off, even though the detent is actually catching in the detent hole. No, it's just not having it. Turn that way, press that down, press it over, hold it, and you know you've got it. You just know. All to no avail. As soon as you pull on it, it just falls right back apart. So this tiny little action right here just ruined a good chunk of my day. So what happens when you see this? Trash can, put a new lock on, don't mess with it, it's not worth it. Thanks for watching. Wayne's Lock Shop, we strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high security locks
to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between, safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com.
Hey guys, it's the end of the video. Help me out and help me help you out. Right below the description box right here is a red subscribe button. Subscribe to me and then you're going to get the latest and greatest information that I put out. Sometimes it applies to you, sometimes it doesn't. It's just going to at least let you know that we're putting out new and current information. And then right over here is a thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up. Help this video rank higher in the searches for the search terms that you're using, and let other people be able to see this. That's the best way you can help. Interact. Leave a comment. I will get back with you if I can and try and help you answer your questions. But the more you interact and post this to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and spread this through the social media, the more that allows me to be able to help do more videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And subscribe, share, and like. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.